exploring vertex form. How do we write the equations from a table or a graph in f of x or y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. First thing we do is we identify the vertex. It looks like it's at negative 1, 2. When I go over into my table, sure enough, that's where I see that symmetry in the table. That's the point where the y values are going up and they come down the same. So what I know right now is that my h value is negative 1 and my k value is negative 2. The other thing that I need in vertex form, and this is the part that it may have been a little bit lost because it's been a while, we need the a value. And this actually goes back to the same type of thing we were practicing and reviewing yesterday. And it has to do with, like, how do we get the a? How do we get the a? And the a is equal to, in every quadratic, half of the second diff. Is this coming back to some of you? A is equal to half of the second differences. So what that means then is that I have to go through the process of finding the first differences. 7 to 2 is going to be a minus 5. 2 to negative 1 is going to be a minus 3. Negative 1 to negative 2 is going to be a minus 1. And then it looks like I'm adding 1, I'm adding 3, I'm adding 5. First differences. That's not where I go for my A. I have to go to my second differences. Second differences, from negative 5 to negative 3, I would have been adding 2. And it looks like that adding 2 is consistent all the way through. So A is going to be equal to half of 2. A is equal to half of the second differences. So my A value in this case would be 1. So now I have everything I need. F of x or y equals the start function notation. My A value is 1. Then I do x minus h. X minus negative 1 is going to make it x plus 1 squared plus k, which happens to be a negative 2, so minus 2. And actually, this guy right here doesn't need to be there. I just erased, I had the 1 there for my a, and I just got it out of there because it doesn't need to be there. But that will get you through that process. Identify the vertex, find your second differences, and take half of it for the a, and you can write those equations.